Welcome to New Star Auto Group once again. As you can see, 2004 Nissan Murano. This is a SL edition all-wheel drive. As you see here, we have buy here, pay here available, and many other financing options. Let's take a look at the rims and tires. 235/65 18s. Nice profile here that gives you that better ride quality. 60/40 split. Has plenty of room in the rear, and also if you look, those two handles back there actually release these seats so you can fold them down flush. That 60/40 split. You also have the shade back there. You can see it does fold nicely. You don't have to take off the headrest or anything. Just have to move the seat belt out of the way and place it back. Very clean. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there we go. I was doing it wrong. All right. Clean carpets, as you saw in the rear. All the factory floor mats are there. Also a very nice dashboard, very nice layout. It's very sleek. You have the Bose sound system. You have some aluminum trim in here. Also, you have your shade for the moonroof. Curtain airbags keep you safe, as well as side impact protection airbags in case of something coming on. Also have the air conditioning vents for the rear. Murano's probably the most popular in this crossover segment. I mean, they sell tons of these. Very popular. Very easy to drive, very smooth. A little windy today also. Okay, seats in the front. I really do like how that's an aluminum. It says airbag. It just adds to this vehicle. Plenty of storage. You have your speakers up here. Owner's manual, an additional power outlet. This comes back and forth, and it also on the side it does lock for storage. There's another power outlet all the way down there. More cup holders. There we go. Maybe some money in here? No, not today. Okay, all-wheel drive lock. Mirrors, air conditioning. Oh, let's start her up too. Has the trip computer. Also has the RDS display here, telling you what song is on if it's available. Different settings. Up top you have the compass in the mirror. You also have a home link system. I don't know, sometimes the camera picks it up if it's too dark, sometimes it doesn't, but the buttons are here. Also, that's dimming. You also have the side shade to make sure that sunlight does not enter the vehicle. All right, let's go around to the driver's side. You have the roof rails, and they're both there. 91,000 miles on the odometer, the volume controls, and you also have the cruise control options, automatic headlights, and this dims the gauges. If you need more information, please give us a call here at New Star Auto Group and talk about different financing options.
Follow us on Facebook for the latest inventory, or on our website at newstarautogroup.com. Feel free to visit us in person at 1239 McCarter Highway, Newark, New Jersey. If you need more information on financing or warranties, give us a call at 973-497-1002.